Water damage in an office, retail space, or commercial building does not just ruin materials, it shuts down business. Every hour you are closed costs you money. A slow leak can turn into a collapsed ceiling or ruined inventory before anyone notices. The bigger the space, the more there is at stake. We bring large loss crews built for commercial properties so we can move through your building fast instead of one room at a time. Truck-mounted extraction units and submersible pumps clear standing water fast, even across large commercial floor plans. Industrial air movers and dehumidifiers dry your space quickly, because the faster it dries, the faster you reopen for customers. We serve businesses across Dallas and more than 30 nearby cities, any hour of the day or night, so downtime stays as short as possible. If your business has water damage, every hour matters. Call Water Damage Restoration Dallas at 469-804-9910.